Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 23rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So in the pound yen, I still think this is a wave 3. I think it's actually a wave 3 of C because I think this is an A, this is a B, and this is a C. So if that's true, then likely we are now in a wave 4, and then we're eventually going to go back up, I believe, for a wave 5 of wave C. But keep in mind that this wave 4 probably will last at least probably 6, 8 months or possibly even more. So going down to the weekly time frame, the question really is whether the wave A really is over or not. It is starting to look like it possibly could be. I mean, I was thinking that we were going to get another attempt on the downtrend before we actually went up and made a wave B and then down for a wave C. But either way, I think that this is going to be a very overlapping pattern for probably many, many months because a wave 4, it can very often be extremely overlapping. I mean, just look at this wave 2 down here. That's the type of price action I would expect to see out of a wave 4 also, just very, very, very overlapping. So going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, definitely still looks like it's going up. It really hasn't broken to the downside yet. I'm still watching my Fibonacci levels very closely. I'm still watching for engulfing moves to the downside. Like I said, I still think there's a good chance that it is going to try to push down one more time, all part of this wave A of wave 4. But if not, if it just keeps on going up, then whatever, no big deal. We should be technically looking for longs anyways on the sort of time frames. If it does just keep on going up and making this wave B. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. Now technically it has not broken this structure yet, so technically this move up right here could still be a correction to this move down, especially because of how overlapping and corrective it looks. You know, impulsive down, overlapping corrective with no break of structure, you would think would lead to another impulsive down and another attempt on the downtrend. So I personally am definitely still keeping an eye out for that bigger sort that I've been looking for. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, prices going all the way back up to the 61%. The yen pairs have been pretty much very, very, very sideways for several weeks now, very overlapping, very, very corrective looking, which is why I still think at some point it is going to break structure to the downside and it is going to make another attempt on the downtrend. But if you never see this break of structure to the downside, you never see the Fibonacci bounce and an engulfing move down, then technically you probably should, especially if you do trade the 1 hour time frame and below, technically you probably should be looking for longs on these sort of time frames until you do see that impulsive move down with the breaker structure, which has not happened yet. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.